Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nada Jamal and I am a national level black belt karate and taekwondo player. I have played championships at every level, club, all district, Karachi and even national level. And in each level, alhamdulillah, I have secured gold medals and I have about 25 medals. I played karate and taekwondo throughout my career. I've been playing karate for about 9 years now. I started when I was 7, whereas for taekwondo, I started about 4 years ago when I was still doing karate and got interested in taekwondo. I practice about 6 days a week, whereas Sundays are the only holidays, and I practice for 2 hours each day. There are many memories throughout my career. However, the memory which I cherish forever is the one when I won a bronze medal at the national championship. Even though I had injured my leg and I had to play back-to-back fights which were of 3 minutes each. Alhamdulillah, up till now, I have never faced these problems because of the fact that my friends, family, especially my mother and my teachers are very supportive of me and they are always motivating me to do more, and they are the main reason why I am still doing the sport. Everyone has that pressure कि studies साथ रखनी है, तो I try to balance my time with my studies and with the sports. कि अगर पेपर हो रहे होते हैं, then I take a break and then I make up for the time that I was not coming and I was not practicing. Number one, I think that they should have a motivation force inside themselves as well as discipline in their life. If they have discipline, then they can balance all the things they are doing in life. Otherwise, they will only be stuck in their studies or some basic things of life. Secondly, I think that they should have the motivation to work hard. If you are doing something and then you are not working hard with passion, then there is no use for it. And third, the most important is that they should have self-confidence. If you have the confidence that you can do anything, that no matter what anyone says, कि आप नहीं कर सकते, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, then you can do anything. Yes, it was totally worth it. Had I not joined karate, had I not been interested in sports, had my mother not pressured me to do this, then I would not have the self-confidence that I have today and not the achievement that I can tell everybody that apart from my studies, I have done this, this and that. Favorite women athlete, I think for now, in karate, I have Kulsoom Azara. She is an international player and she represents Pakistan at all levels. And the main thing is that she has a lot of ups and downs in her life. She has a whole story behind and all the hardships she has. But still, she shows professionalism and throughout her journey, she has been securing gold medal in nationals. The people which were inspired the most from my own family, my sisters, my younger sisters. I have 2 younger sisters. And when I started karate, then they were not doing that and they were not very interested in it as well. All they did was see what I was doing and then they went away. And they did other sports like swimming, archery, but they did not do fights because you can injure yourself. And you can injure yourself sometimes permanently. Like for example, your nose can be damaged permanently or you can break a bone or something. But after they saw me, after they saw how I gained confidence, how I was not afraid of fighting anymore or losing anymore, then they got interest and now both of my younger sisters are doing karate and we have been coming for about 3 years together now and we practice with each other every day. Next milestone, the main important one is nationals in karate because this time I lost the final fight for the trials, hence I did not go to the nationals which were held in Quetta this year. In June, inshallah, the trials will be held and the main milestone for me right now is that I qualify for the national and then win a gold medal in the national.